Hello, how to add a table of content in Microsoft Word. I have a business report here. All these pages, I will show you how you can add a table of content. So I have options here or styles. So I will change the style to header one. I can just modify header one, make it Times New Roman, and automatically update. Then okay. This is header one methodology. And so here I can just put this to be 1.0. Okay, here will be 2.0. Modify, bold, header 2, header 2. Now this one will be 3.0, and this one is header 1. Here will be my header 2. Header 2. Then this one will be 4.0, and it's header 1. Okay, and 4.1. This one will be my header 2. Make sure this one, I will change this one to normal for this. Just select all of them. Then I will change my font back to Times New Roman, double spaced. Font 12, and then I will make it double spaced again. Alright, then my conclusion is header 1. My references is header 1. So to add, now I've organized my titles and headers. No, you can just go. Now to add my table of content, I first need to add a new page for my table of content. So I'll go to insert, blank page there. So now my table of content will be, because I was having a page break, so I will need to delete one page break. I'm having two page breaks. Okay. Now my table of content will be right here. So I can just delete that. I'll make it normal. Then change back to Times New Roman font 12. I will go to reference. I can change, and you can see table of content here. References, table of content. Then I will prefer to add automatic table 2. So I will add it. Let's say for instance something is missing. I'm missing appendices. Now I will go back, scroll down to my appendices. So then this is, can select it from table 1, I mean header 1, and I can just go back to references. Let me scroll down up to my table of content. As you can see here, and then just update. Can either click here to update, or I can select it and click here to update, and then update entire table. Now you can see my appendices have now appeared. So this is how you add table of content in simple way. We can insert a table of figures. Okay. Now I will drag it. You just need to select the figure, right click, and then insert caption. Then, so to insert a table of figures is very simple. Let's insert a table of figures. So the first figure is this one here. So I will just pick the title and cut. Right click on the figure, insert caption, then just paste. Yes. And then okay. You can see there, can just change the color to be black. So I will go to the next figure. We'll cut this one, insert, okay. There's another figure. Can right click, insert caption, figure 3, okay. Then I'll change this one to black. There's another figure. So this one is not actually a title, it's a figure. It's a title of this figure. So I will just select this one. This one will be my 4.0. Then I will change this one to header 1. This one will be normal. Then I will just cut, delete, like click on my figure, insert caption, then just click OK, select it. I just need to do some editing, change to black. Okay. Now the first thing I can do is to update my table of contents. Let me update. Okay, it is updated. Then just down here we need to insert a table of figures. So go back to references, update the table, entire table, and then insert a table of figures. Just click OK. Now you can see I have a table of figures. So maybe I can just add a page break, then drag it, then I can just maybe copy this one here to this point, table of figures. So we have been able to insert a table of content and a table of figures. That will be it for this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.